Suave, voltamos aqui com mais um vídeo Life is Strange, galera. Então, me desculpe pelo vídeo de ontem que ficou muito chiado, por causa que, pode ver, eu tô sem micro, estragou, ficou muito chiado. E também com a musiquinha do jogo, aí, creio eu, pelo menos no meu PC, não deu pra ouvir muito bem a minha voz. Mas eu vou ver se eu melhoro esse vídeo. Vamos lá, né? Tem que ir no banheiro, né? Na corrida, então.
Okay, Max, retrace every step.
Eu vi também que não vai dar certo eu ficar falando, vocês vão ter que ler, por causa que a voz dela é a minha, não dá pra ouvir.
And I took a photo.
Leave them out of this bitch.
I can tell everybody Nathan Prescott is a punk ass who begs like a little girl and talks to himself.
You don't know who the fuck I am or who you're messing around with.
Where'd you get that? What are you doing? Come on, put that thing down!
Tell me what to do.
Hauser, it's happening again. I need a hammer to break it open.
Hella more trouble for this than drugs.
Nobody would ever even miss your punk ass, would they?
Get that gun away from me, psycho!
Oh, holy shit, I can't let this happen. If I can reverse time again, I can help her.
Tá bom, acho que é só pra mim.
Ever even miss your punk ass, would they? No way!
Don't ever touch me again, freak!
Another shitty day.
That did not happen. This cannot be real.
Mas pode.
I just saw a girl get shot and then saved her. What the fuck is going on? Do not freak out.
Hey, do you hear that fire alarm?
Calma, cara, tô saindo.
I had to use the bathroom.
Girls always use that excuse.
Excuse for what?
For whatever you're up to. Your face is covered in guilt.
The alarm tripped me out.
Then trip on out of here, Missy. Or are you hiding something?
Por que é tanto que eu saia? Por que não deixa
Thank you, Mr. Madsen. The situation is under control. There's no emergency here. Leave Miss Caulfield alone and please turn off that alarm since that's your job.
Ok. Se eu chegar mais perto, o coco dele brilha, velho. Olha lá. Tá, isso é quando eu falo aqui. Olha lá.
You look a little stressed out. Are you okay?
I'm just a little worried about my future.
You're sweating pinballs. Is that all you're thinking about? You could always be upfront with me, Max. Or have you done something wrong? Is that it? Well, Max, talk to me.
E agora? Esconder a verdade e entregar o neto. Netão. Ah, que se foda. Sei que vai querer me matar depois, não sei.
I just saw Nathan Prescott waving a gun around in the girls' room.
Nathan Prescott. You sure?
Yes, he was in the bathroom talking to himself with a gun.
No,
I saw everything. He was babbling like crazy.
Okay, slow down. Slow down. So now you saw this without him seeing you.
I was hiding behind the stall. I have the right to be there. It's the girls' room.
I know. I just want to be completely clear what happened. Mr. Prescott happens to be from the town's most distinguished family and one of Blackwell's most honored students. So it's hard for me to see him brandishing a weapon in the girls' bathroom. So what happened next?
Then he left. I ran out here wondering what to do. Are you going to bust him?
This is a serious charge. I'll look into the matter personally. Thank you for bringing it to my attention.
That's it? After what I told you?
We'll continue this discussion later in my office. Please go outside with the rest of your class, Miss Caulfield.
Of course this academic drone won't do anything since the Prescott...
Oh, meu Deus do céu, hein? Colégio bonito, mano. Blackwell Academy.
Would Nathan Prescott please
Nossa.
come to the front office? Thank you.
Aqui, né? Onde eu tenho que ir?
Miss Grant sure is dedicated to that petition. Hi, Miss Grant.
Excuse me, Max. I know everybody loves being asked to sign a petition, but would you do Miss Grant a favor and hear me out?
É claro, lógico.
Sure, I always have time for you. What's the petition?
David Madsen, our chief of security, wants to put surveillance cameras all around the campus. Halls, classrooms, gym, dorm rooms, etc. Blackwell Academy should be a high school, not a high-security penitentiary.
Claro, poderia ter ajudado... Não, mas aquele cara é doente, mano. Não, isso aí é doido.
That's crazy. I get why schools should be on high alert these days, but cameras in the dorm rooms...
It's a slippery slope, and it's up to you and your classmates to stand up here. Blackwell Academy has a noble heritage, from the Native Americans who founded this land to the pioneers who shared it in peace, not fear and violence.
Dá moralzinha pra ela, né, velho? Ela não ficar triste.
You know a lot about Blackwell for being the science teacher.
Science is history, Max. And I have a secret wish to teach local lore and legends. There's a lot of unique facts about this you might really enjoy discovering. Now, before I assign you homework with this lecture, will you please sign the petition to keep our campus from going back to 1984?
Eu não vou assinar porque aquele cara, eu não confio nele. É algo de errado que eu não confio, ele é lazarento.
Miss Grant, I totally respect your passion and knowledge, but some security cameras make me feel a little safer.
I'm not against security, Max. We should all be concerned when private space becomes public.
Velho.
Your generation has been tricked to think everything should be recorded.
Foda-se, não quero consequências, tô nem aí. Peraí, como é que vai lá? Ah, tá. Não, peraí, deixa eu ver. Ô, moço. Para, calma, meu Deus. Não, vou ler. Quer tomar um café depois da aula? Preciso de uma desculpa para não estudar. Por favor, tenha certeza que viu o Necromantic no meu pendrive. Ei, Mad Max, vamos zoar um pouco. Pera, tenho que estudar para minha prova de física. Então se a gente bater em alguma coisa, posso medir a velocidade. Não ignore essa mensagem. Oi, Max, você poderia devolver meu pendrive? Preciso de umas informações. E de espaço. Olá. Mouse, tô atrasada. Dia insano. Mouse. Tem encontro no estacionamento. Vai ser legal. Te vejo lá. Minha câmera vai estar pronta. Já te vejo. Eu espero. Ok. Tem mais coisa nova aqui, velho. Ah, então foi tudo que eu tirei foto, se pá? Ou não? Não sei. Velho, não... Tipo, é muita coisa. Acho que não tem necessidade de ler isso, tem? Não, não tem.
Okay, I better get to my dorm and grab that flash drive.
Ela não pula. Tá, dormitórios aqui. Pra cá. Corre, filha, corre. Esse jogo tá muito legal, velho. Ah, tá. Tá tentando andar lá fazendo dormitório agora.
Come on, Logan, bring it, bro.
Lembra muito o jogo Bully, velho.
I need to go to my room and return Warren's flash drive.
Essa que eu já falei com ela, falei. Alice.
No.
I feel like Alyssa and I should be better friends.
Oh. Hi, Max.
Como você tá? Tá como ela tá, primeiro.
How are you doing?
Fantastic. I'm by myself reading chick-lit. Pretty soon I'll be bonding with Victoria at the Vortex Club.
I think you're better off reading chick-lit.
Good point. Now if you'll
Nossa,
excuse
ok,
me.
né? Tchau. Enche o saco já, né? Não.
Oh, look, it's Max Caulfield, the selfie hoe of Blackwell.
Olha os palavreados.
What a lame gimmick. Even Mark, Mr. Jefferson, falls for your wave hipster bullshit. The Daguerrean process, sir. You could barely even say that. I guess you got your meds filled. Since you know all the answers, I guess you have to find another way into the dorm. We ain't moving.
Te ranga daí no tapa.
Hold that pose.
A carinha dela, velho. Ela tá em cara de dó, mano. A Max.
Don't worry, Max. I'll put a vintage filter on it right before I post it all over social medias. Now, why don't you go fuck your selfie?
Oh yes, Victoria. I'll get your bony ass out of my way. I don't want to mess with that ladder and hurt poor Samuel. I just want to get Victoria the hell out of the way.
Oi, Samuel. Tem nada pra fazer aqui? Ah.
What the hell? Are you kidding? Look at this.
Chill, Victoria. It's just water.
Yeah, water on my cashmere. Do you know how much this fucking outfit costs?
You look great.
I can't even chill on the steps.
Ela saiu dali já, não saiu? Não? Não, a trouxa tá na frente ainda.
She looks like a pissed off wet cat, and she's still stylish.
Tipo, vou sair de perto. What? Fiz algo errado então. Esse ponto ali, mano. Ah, tá. Opa!
I can't grab that. Samuel is way too close. Okay, let's see if this works.
Nice, bro.
What the hell? Are you kidding? Look at this.
Chill, Victoria. It's just
Fala
water.
não, vai o
Yeah,
trouxa.
water on my cashmere. Do you know how much this fucking outfit costs?
You look great.
I can't even chill on the steps.
Vai lá, Samuel, derruba a tinta nela. Só esperar, né?
No.
No way! No fucking
You
way!
okay, Victoria?
Oh, Samuel is sorry. Wet paint is not good for hair, nope.
Get the hell away from me, weirdo.
Trouxa.
Hold on. We'll get some towels. We'll be right back.
So move your ass before I dry.
It worked. Don't mess with Max, bitches.
Pronto, agora eu posso passar. Não. Não.
Oh man, she looks so sad and lonely sitting there alone. Hey, Victoria.
What do you want, Max?
Velho, e agora? Tipo, se eu zoar, ela vai ficar me atentando pro resto da vida. Vou tentar confortá-la, vamos ver se ela aceita.
I am sorry.
E
That's
se
an
eu
awesome
zoar,
cashmere
ela
coat.
não vai me dar paz, velho.
It was. But there'll be another.
Well, you always seem to know how to pick the right outfits.
I do have some talent. Mr. Jefferson told me.
I've seen your pictures. You have a great eye. Richard Avedon-esque.
He's one of my heroes.
Tá
Thanks,
lá, virou
Max.
minha amiguinha.
I hope those
Claro,
sluts
não
get me
é
a
uma
job.
das
for the
melhores
baby
amizades, mas é
asylum.
minha amiguinha agora.
You deserve a better shot. Sorry about blocking you and the go fuck your selfie.
That was mean, but pretty funny.
Just one of those days, you know?
I know exactly what you mean, Victoria. I'll see you later.
Au revoir.
Ah,
Victoria
vai
probably
então.
played me. I should
Tio,
have
você não vai
played
sair
her.
não? Ah,
Better get to my room before I find
tá, tinha que
Warren.
clicar. Mosquei. Ok, galera, esse vídeo vai ficar por aqui. Já deu uns 17 minutos já e alguns segundos. Até o próximo vídeo, espero que tenha gostado.
Victoria is going
Falou.
to be pissed we took so long.